Okay, we're going to talk about standard and intercept form. This is another form of a line. So far you know y-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, which is really nice to graph. You also know slope-intercept form, y minus y1 over x minus x1 equals m, or we've also seen it like this, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay, so standard form is just another form. It is in this form. It looks like this. Okay, and the key to this situation is that these numbers are integers. So that's something really important. A, B, and C are all integers. Just something to keep in mind. And we're going to talk now about standard form. So in standard form, here's an example. We have, say, 3x plus 2y equals 12. Okay, this format comes in really handy later on when we're trying to solve what are called systems of equations, and this is just a nice format. To graph it, it's called intercept form because what happens is if we make a table and we say what happens if x is 0, okay? So if x is 0, it means we're plugging in 0, right? And we get this. Multiplying by 0, genius, one of the best things we know how to do because it's super easy, and it becomes 0, right? So we get this, okay? So really, we can kind of think that it goes away, right? So often, what I think about is, I think about what would happen if, like, oh, sorry about that craziness. I think about what would happen if that x just went away. Well, then y would be 6. Okay, now we're going to go back. We have the same equation, 3x plus 2y equals 12. You say, what would happen if y was 0? So if y was 0, 2 times 0, simply 0. So this just goes away. Then x would be 4. Okay, so now when we graph, we have 2 points. We have 0, 6, the y-intercept, and we have 4, 0, right? The x-intercept, and we connect the lines. Okay, super easy to use, easy to graph to get the intercepts. Let's do one more. We'll work very hard to not shake the page. So if we have some example like 5x plus 3y equals 30. So we think, what happens if x is 0? And this time I'm going to write it as a coordinate pair. If x is 0, then really we're just thinking 3y equals 30. So y is 10. Okay. If we say what happens if y is 0, then we're really saying 5x equals 30. So x is 6. Okay, so that's standard form. Notice all integers. Okay. There is something that you will see in Algebra 2, and I just want to show it to you, and that is called, well, to use the same equation, but that's called intercept form. So if I divide everything here by 30, and the reason it's by 30 is because of this, then we get it equal to 1, right? When we do our division here, we will get x over 6, right? So 5 divided by 30 is 6, or 1/6, and then y over 10, okay? 3 divided by 30, y over 10, okay? And that is how, so this form here is intercept form, and this is the x-intercept, and this is the y-intercept. So we'd go over 6 on the x, we'd go up 10 on the y, plot some points, and draw the line. Pretty nice.